I welcome you all on behalf of my school to the Chrysalis Day 2021. So, I am Madhumati, the mother teacher of PP2, here to address you all. Even in this pandemic situation, we are making our children to get ready with the new technology, and we are happily using a child-friendly apps. Even at the age of 5, my students are able to use a new gadgets and get addicted to the online classes. Previously, we conducted the Think Room Day on the school, but in the present situation, we are using online. Even though the teacher has provided the information and ideas and the scripts, it is the parent who is happy and made the work easy by the child and helping them in making all these gadgets and the information ready in the time. I am very eagerly waiting for my kids to say what they have learned about the different topics in their Think Room Day. Finally, I thank for giving me such a wonderful opportunity on behalf of my school. Ma'am.
Yeah. Who is the first? Just inform me. They will you can start here.
Yes, ma'am. I want Max children to be ready, ma'am.
Yeah. Ask them to get ready, announce their names, and
yes, ma'am.
We'll start the program.
Nana Bhagat Nagar campus, Max children. Who are in Max subject, please get ready. Unmute yourself, beta. Harshini and Himaish, you both are there in your Max group. Please unmute yourself.
Remaining all, please mute yourself. No one should unmute by themselves. It's a request.
Ma'am, they can start directly or we have to post the questions, ma'am?
Yeah, they can. First, let them say their topic. Then we'll ask them questions.
Okay, ma'am. Harshini, you can start, Nana. Himaish, mute yourself. Adya, mute. Please mute yourself, Nana. Don't unmute. Only Harshini will unmute and talk. Harshini.
खड़ा एक बार खड़ा दोनों पे क्लास स्टार्ट हो
Yeah, Harshini, unmute yourself.
Madam, let them say the question also. Is sir is there?
No, sir will join. Meanwhile, let them complete math.
Okay, then I'll ask the question. Okay. We'll start with Bhagat Nagar. We'll start with math and I'll start asking the questions to them.
Yeah, you can ask them now.
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Himansh? Madhu madam, is it okay? Can you hear me, Madhu madam?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, Himansh, are you ready, beta? Shall I start asking you? Yeah. You are from which group, beta?
Maths is fun.
Okay. What is your subject you are going to say now?
Maths.
Okay.
Year.
Okay. In a month, in a year, how many months are there?
12.
12 months. Which is the first month, beta?
January.
Which is the last month, beta? Which is the third month, beta? March. Okay. Can you tell me which in February how many days do we have?
28.
Okay. Which is your favorite month?
August.
Beta?
August.
Okay. When do we get to rainy season? In which month we get rainy season?
July.
Okay. When do we get summer holidays? In which month do we get summer holidays?
May.
Which month has 29 days?
February.
February. Okay. In which month is your father's birthday?
April.
When do we celebrate Children's Day?
November.
November. In the whole month, are we going to celebrate Children's Day?
November 14th.
Yeah, very good. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti?
October 2nd.
Okay. When do we celebrate New Year?
January 1st.
Good boy, Nana. How many days are there
I
in a
think
week?
you can
beta?
go to for next child.
Okay, fine. I don't know from Mangamatota who are the max group.
I'll send you.
Okay. Harshini?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, I feel like when you mention your name at the side, you can mention your subject also, so that it will be easy for us to identify. If you are from storytelling group, mention storytelling group. If you are from math group, mention math, so that when we go through your names, we can identify easily. A request.
Name is my assistant.
Wait, beta. Harshini, wait, Nana, wait. I'll give you a chance. Wait. I want to ask Mangamatota students later. Aparna madam, can you tell me who are in Max group?
You can call Gautam Raj's name.
Yeah. Gautam.
Gautam Raj.
Gautam. Good evening. How are you, Gautam? Can you hear me, Gautam? Unmute yourself and talk, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. You are from which group, beta? Which subject you are?
Disturbance, ma'am.
You have disturbance.
It's okay, Gautam Raj. Now you can continue. Introduce yourself and continue with your topic.
Hi, everyone. I am Gautam Raj. I am studying in PP2 Lily. My friend says there are 12 months in a year. There are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. My favorite month is on August. My birthday is on August 26th. My parents' marriage day is on August 16th. My Independence Day is on August 15th. Thank you, everyone.
Nana, can I ask you something?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Can you tell me which is the 6th month, beta? If you don't know, say don't know.
June.
Okay. Which is the 2nd month, beta?
February, ma'am.
Nana, are you taking mummy's help or are you telling by your own, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Good. Thank you then. Tell me which is the 10th month, beta?
I don't know, ma'am.
Very good. I like it. Thank you, beta. Lizzie, madam. Next,
Thank
any
Yes,
child?
ma'am.
Any next other child?
Next,
Okay.
Pravandita, ma'am.
You can call
Pravandita.
Pravandita.
Pravandita. Hi, Nana.
From math group.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Yeah, tell me, Nana. How many months are there?
12 months in
Okay.
a year.
Okay. Which is the shortest month, beta?
January.
January. Okay. January is the shortest month, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
No, Nana. Fine.
No, ma'am.
It's okay. When do we celebrate Christmas? In which month do we celebrate Christmas?
I don't know, ma'am.
Very good. No problem, beta. When do we celebrate New Year? In which month do we celebrate New Year?
January.
January. Whole
First.
month do we celebrate? Yeah. 1st of January. Very good, beta. Can you tell me which is your favorite month?
March.
Why do you like that March month, beta?
My birthday comes in March.
Okay. Can you tell me your mother's or father's birthday? In which month they celebrate their birthday?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, Nana. Thank you, Nana. Harshini?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshini.
Yes,
Nana,
ma'am.
which is your favorite month, beta?
April.
April. Which which month do we celebrate Republic Day? Okay. How many months are there, beta?
12 months.
How many days are there, beta?
7.
Okay. Can you tell me months of the days, months, Nana, how many months are there? Can you name them?
January.
Nana, are you taking mummy's help, beta?
No.
Then say, Nana, fast.
January, February, March, April, May, June.
Stop.
July.
Stop. After November, what comes, beta? Which month comes after November?
December.
After March?
April.
After January?
February.
In which month mummy will celebrate her birthday?
September.
Very good. Thank you, beta. Aparna madam, any child from your side?
Varali.
Yeah, ma'am.
Varali.
Varali?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good,
Come on,
Nana.
Varali, complete your dialogue and you are
Hi,
present yourself.
I'm from PP2 Jasmine.
Harshini, mute yourself.
Of the year, so many months have 10 days, like Republic Day on 26 January. February month have 20 days. This is the shortest month of the year. We celebrate Independence Day is on 15th August. And Teachers Day is on 5th September.
Okay. When is Children's Day, beta?
November 14th.
When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti?
October
Good.
2nd.
Very good. Which is the third month, beta?
March.
First month.
January.
Last month.
December.
8th month.
Wednesday. August.
No, 8th month. Very good. Claps, Nana. Claps for yourself. Very good. Well tried, Nana. Congrats. Good.
Thank
Good,
you, ma'am.
good. Good, Nana.
Aisha will go with English children.
Yeah. We'll start storytelling then. Madhu, are you ready with the screen sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Wait, Madhu, I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Alfred?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Wait, Nana, I did not call you Adya. Wait, I called Alfred, Nana. I think it's Alfred. Lizzie, am I correct?
Yes,
Alfred?
ma'am.
Yeah, because I know you are in English group, so I was calling you. Nana, you are from which group, beta? What are you going to perform today?
Story
Alfred,
reading. Story reading, ma'am.
Story reading. How many stories we have finished, beta, still now?
13.
13 stories. Which is your favorite story, beta?
Asha fighter.
Okay. Who is the main character in that, beta?
Asha.
Do you like to read stories or do you like to listen stories, beta?
Read stories.
Read stories or listening? I can't hear you properly, Nana. Shall I start? Do you want to read only firefighter? If I ask you to read second story, will you read second story?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Madhu madam, can you share the second story?
Yes, ma'am.
Meanwhile, you tell me the name of the story, beta. Which is the second story name? Can you tell me the story name of the second dose? Tell me, Nana. Do you know the name of the story?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know, beta. Okay. Will you read it?
Umma.
Okay. Can you see the screen, beta? Sir, good evening,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Please go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. Can you read that? What is the heading? Or what is there on the screen? Can you read it?
Me, my
Okay.
friends.
Okay. Do you love this story?
I love Asha.
Okay. Madhu, please take out page number 3.
I'm done.
Yeah. Nana, please start reading it, Nana. Look at the screen and start reading it better.
Brown. Beer. Blood. Dance. On. Is.
Okay. Do you want to read firefighter story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Madhu madam, please, can you take out firefighter storybook?
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
done.
Read it, Nana. What is there on the screen? Read it.
Asha the firefighter.
Take out page number 5, Madhu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nana.
Hi,
Read it, Nana.
everyone. I'm Alfred Joby.
Nana, read it, beta.
I look under my bed for my firefighter Engine. I want to show it to the firefighter.
Page number 10.
Ma'am, picture is there, ma'am.
Okay, take out next page. Level R12.
No, you can ask what is happening in the picture.
Okay, I'll ask.
There are 4 red fire engines. There.
Stop. Stop. Nana, can you read that B letter word? At the last, there is B letter word.
Bigger.
Very good. Can you read second line L letter word?
Madhumita, you can round it up.
Look.
Can you read second line T letter word? Second line T letter word.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Fire engine.
Okay. Second line T letter word, beta.
There.
Okay. M letter word. Third line M letter word.
Much.
Very good. We'll go to next child. Okay. Thank you, beta. Sir, do you want to ask something, sir?
No. Good evening, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Good evening,
sir.
everyone.
Yeah,
Good
sir.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Children, can you all hear me?
How are you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. King.
Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir. It's audible,
Yes.
sir.
Madam, I want you to continue. I want you to continue. Just let me see for some time so that I'll understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Adya.
Good evening, everybody.
Adya. Adya Nana.
Yeah, good
Yes,
evening.
madam.
Yeah, are you ready, Adya?
Yes.
Yeah, Adya, do you love stories? Do you love reading stories or do you love listening stories better?
Yes, ma'am. Reading story.
Nana, I called Adya from Bhagat Nagar, Nana. Sorry. I'll call you later again. Okay? Okay, Adya Sri. Sorry, I don't know that you are there. I called M. Adya.
Okay, ma'am.
Adya, which is your favorite story, Adya?
Me and my friends.
Why you like that particular story, beta? Beta?
Animals.
Nana, your voice is not clear, beta. Okay. How many stories still now we finished learning, Nana? How many stories can you read perfectly,
Adya,
Nana?
your sound is not audible, Adya.
How many stories can you read it? Are you ready with Nana? Voice not clear, Nana. Ade edo touch chesadu babu. Adya, okay.
Ma'am, it's okay, ma'am. Now we can hear.
Yeah,
Okay,
we can go
Madhu,
with
can you take out story, book number 3?
Me and my friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Adya, how
Adya,
are you,
what is
Adya?
there on?
Adya, how are you?
Fine.
Can you see me, Adya? Do you know who is talking to you?
Sir.
Sir is talking to you. Which sir is talking to you?
English director.
Oh, you know me. Thank you. You did not forget me. Thank you. Adya, what subject you are going with?
English.
Oh, very good. What is your stall name then? What story you are talking about, Adya?
Nana, you
Meet my friends.
Okay, you're talking about?
Eat my friends.
Okay, very good. So, which story? Are you going to read this story, Tarun? What is that on the screen? What is the name of that story?
Tara and the bus. bird.
Tarun and the bird. Do you like birds, Adya?
Yes, parrots.
Oh, did you see parrot?
Yes.
Very good. Madam, let us go with the story, please, on the screen.
Can you please say the number, sir?
Sir,
Tarun and the bird, what is the number?
No, sir. Actually, I told her to take randomly instead of making the child to read the whole book. So she is asking you any particular page number.
Okay, let us go with page number 6.
Yes.
Sir, done.
Adya.
Yes, sir.
Will you read this? Will you read this page number 6 for me?
Yes.
Read.
Very good, Adya. Very good. Madam, please get into page number 6.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
there,
sir,
sir.
done.
Okay.
What does he see?
What does he see? Good.
Yeah.
A
Next.
bird.
Okay, page number 10. Madhu, page number 10.
Madhu,
Ma'am,
madam.
it's a picture, ma'am.
Okay, Adya, can you explain the picture? What is happening on the screen, Nana?
Tarun pulls the thorn.
Feathers, okay. Now, page number 12. Yeah, read it, Nana, Adya.
He tries to fly, but cannot.
Yeah. Very good, Adya.
Page number 14.
Aisha, madam, how much time you can give it for every child?
So we are giving at least 3 to 4 minutes, sir.
Because we have 42, around 35 children.
And
so
we have
to
only
measure
5 minutes more.
At what time you people started?
At 4 o'clock, sir.
Oh,
Again, we have another session, sir. No,
Okay,
sir, we
same.
have another session. We can join in next session.
Okay, ask them to join back again, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, madam.
Yeah, I think we will go with another child.
Okay, fine.
Adya, very good, Adya. Clap for Adya, all of you. Give a round of applause.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, let us go for somebody else.
Ma'am, you can go with Sudiksha.
Sudiksha. Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
See that every child get chance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me which story it is, Nana? Sudiksha. Which story she is reading, beta?
Wake up Paris story, ma'am.
Nana, no. See, look at the screen and tell me which storybook it is. Okay. Tell me which is your favorite story?
Wake up Paris story.
Wake Up Pari is your favorite story. Okay, fine. Madhu madam, can you take out Wake Up Pari?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Nana. Read it, Nana. What is there on the screen? Read it. Sudiksha.
Wake up Paris.
Pari?
Story.
Pari. Can you tell me, is it Pari or Pari?
Paris.
Okay.
That's
Page number
that's okay,
3.
that's okay.
Page number 3.
They both start school on Monday.
Nana, 1 minute beta. Page number 3, Nana. I'm asking you to read page number 3. Can you read it?
My best friend is a giant. I am Laddu. He says. Good evening, ma'am.
Sudiksha,
Okay.
very good, Sudiksha.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Page number 9.
Ma'am.
Nana, can you read what is that P letter word beta?
Sadiksha.
Odle say, Madhu, odle. Okay, fine. Read, Nana, read. Yeah,
Read.
That's what, read.
Sudiksha, you read better.
Is not. What do we do?
Okay. Anna, can you read page number 12?
So this, okay, Sudiksha. Can you hear me, Sudiksha? Sudiksha, can I ask you some questions?
Yes.
Okay. Sudiksha, what is your team name? What's your team name? Which subject you are reading now? Sudiksha, look at me. Can you see me? English, very good. Okay, what is your favorite thing to do with your father? What do you like to do most with your father? Do you play with your father?
Yes.
Do you play with your father? Oh, very good. What games do you play with your father?
Not play.
What games? You don't play?
No.
What is your sister name?
My brother.
You had a brother, sorry. What is your brother name?
Srivikyatma, sir.
Okay. Do you want to come back to school?
Yes.
Waiting to come?
Yes. Come.
How many members? Oh, very good. How many members are there in your family? Count